Google Cloud Text-to-Speech enables developers to synthesize natural-sounding speech with 100-plus voices, available in multiple languages and variants. It applies DeepMind's groundbreaking research in WaveNet and Google's powerful neural networks to deliver the highest fidelity possible. As an easy-to-use API, you can create lifelike interactions with your users across many applications and devices. All right, let's start with the most important aspect of a dashcam, the camera quality. The Galphi dashcam boasts a triple-channel system, capturing footage from the front, rear, and cabin of your car. With its 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video, you'll have a complete view of what's happening both inside and outside your vehicle. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Galphi dashcam comes equipped with a built-in gravity shock sensor that automatically saves collision footage and loop records. This means you won't have to worry about running out of storage space on your SD card. Plus, it has a parking monitor feature that activates when a collision is detected, providing 24-hour protection for your vehicle. Next up, let's discuss ease of installation. The Galphi dashcam has a unique compact design that won't obstruct your view while driving. It's easy to install, and you won't have to remove the reversing light for the rear camera installation. Just connect it with the front lens, and you're good to go. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Galphi dashcam is priced at $99, offering a great bang for your buck considering its triple-channel system and advanced features. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty and 30-day full refund policy, ensuring your satisfaction. While the Cosuvow dashcam takes the crown for camera quality and price, both dashcams offer impressive features that will keep you protected on the road. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Galphi 3-channel dashcam and the Cosuvow dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars. While the Cosuvow dashcam takes the crown for camera quality and price, both dashcams offer impressive features that will keep you protected on the road. Remember, always consider your personal preferences and budget when making a purchasing decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time with more product comparisons to help you buy smart.